Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. I haven't said this in a while, but what we have right here is a piece of available inventory, available for immediate delivery. This is a Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard, upgraded boat motor and trailer package, and we're gonna have some fun. Follow me and I'll show you around. Right off the bat, you're gonna notice we have a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke engine. You guys might know that the standard horsepower on a 190 SPX outboard is a 115 Pro XS Mercury. There's nothing wrong with that at all. However, if you're gonna have 6 adults on board or more, you're gonna be doing a little bit of water sports, I'd say it's worth the upgrade to get the 150. Take a look here at the inside of the boat. There's gonna be a couple pretty serious changes between 2020 and 2021. First of all, they switch up the stitching a little bit on this stone interior. It's a little bit more luxurious. You see some of the patterns going on right there. As we make our way into the cockpit, you notice that, like we talked about before, this is an upgraded boat. This is not a base model. So instead of a bench right there, which is standard, we've got a co-captain's chair. And then you look over here, one of the new things that they did in 2021, they've actually got this padding right there, so you've got a real comfortable co-captain experience. Usually I'll take a seat in the driver's seat to show you all the cool things about the helm station, but that's not my chair, that's yours. And all it takes is a phone call down to MarineMax St. Petersburg, and you're rocking and rolling right there. Why is that cool? You've got this awesome seat, bolster for a short guy like me to see over the windshield. Then you have your Simrad unit right here, another multi-function unit, which is also going to complement your analog gauges off to the side. And of course, even on a 19-foot boat with the 190 SPX, you're going to have that area up on the bow to do your entertaining. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. I cannot thank you guys enough for tuning in every single week, every single episode. Subscribe to all of our walkthrough videos. This is a Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. Give us a call, come down, and let's get you out on the water and make that dream come true. Bye, guys.